to our people-centric MLA, Anton was, and our Sarpanch of Cansaulim, Pereira, for taking this initiative and trying to resolve the long pending issues of the villages of the road underpass. You have also to understand there are many fatal and near fatal accidents that has taken place at this particular junction due to the parking of goods trains. As people try to creep under the trains to get across to the bazaar and vice versa, I mean east to west or west to east. I hope our MLA, through his good office, will walk the talk and make this long pending dream into a reality and help the villagers to resolve all the pending issues of the village.
As you all know, and as there was a press by the earlier also, आमगे रिक्वायरमेंट आला त्या प्रमाणे थिंगा रेल्वे ऑथॉरिटीजांगे आमकां सायड दाखयल्ली विथ द MLA आनी आमगे कन्सर्निंग वार्ड मेंबर्स आनी डिसायड केल्लें थिंगा आमकां हें पेडेस्ट्रियन अंडरपास. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू डॅट आमी ते पंचायत पार्टीन रेजोल्यूशन घेतलां आनी तें रेजोल्यूशन प्रेजेंट करपा आयलो सो दॅट द MLA कॅन पर्स्यू द मॅटर विथ द ऑथॉरिटीज.
So you are looking for pedestrian there?
Pedestrian underpass, strictly pedestrian, bikes वचपा मेळना थंयसर.